So I'm underneath the truck now, and there's the pipe, and there's where my exhaust is dumped. See that part right there? That's my exhaust. So I'm hoping to be able to just hold the pipe up to it, and then bungee it in, and then we can get a good cold start. Maybe drop it a little bit, but obviously it won't be a permanent thing, but I just want to get an idea about how this Cummins could sound like with a full exhaust, because that's what I do plan on going with. And this is only a 4-inch pipe right here. I want to go with a 5-inch like I said in the previous video. So let's try to get this pipe on a certain way so we can cold start it. I think I might have to jump it because I still wasn't able to get it to start. Well, I didn't even try from yesterday. If you watched the other video, the truck wouldn't even start because of how cold it's been, and I haven't driven it in so long because I was working. And every day that I worked, I would get a ride from Mike, so I wouldn't have the need to drive. There we go, guys. We got it on the truck right there. I just bungeed it in. I don't know how well it's gonna actually stick there, but the only thing left to do is actually use the Silverado to jump the truck, because, well, it's not gonna start very well now that it's, well, I mean, it's so cold that, I don't know, the starter wasn't even going. It cranked over once and that was it. So it's definitely gonna need a jump, but there you go. There's the dump, 7-inch side dump on the Cummins. Looks so sick, man. Alright, so we gotta start this up somehow. I'm gonna get the jumper cables going, but man, that looks so good. If it was a black tip, I think it would look a lot better, but gotta love that, man. 4-inch pipe to a 7-inch outlet. Turbo back, no nonsense. That's how it's done, man. So I guess I'll just walk over here, and there's another angle of it. Very discreet, but still it's going to be very loud and noticeable. Also really complements the chrome wheels, chrome front end and everything. That's the only good thing about a chrome tip, I guess. Alright, so let me run in and see if I can get some jumper cables in the garage. Here's the rest of the exhaust. Okay, so I'm going to open the hood of both trucks. And hopefully there is enough. Hopefully they're close enough to each other to be able to run some cable. We got a battery over here, and another one right there. It's probably the one we use. Different hood configurations on each truck. Oh yeah, there's no way that's going to reach with just one cable, because the battery is on this side and gassers only have one battery and it has to reach all the way over there, so I might have to move them. Just move this exhaust out of the way. There we go. Before I begin this operation, I'm going to try turning it over one more time. It's probably going to be no juice on this. It's way too cold outside. I haven't even heated it with the block heater, so I'm going to cycle it twice. Let the heater do its job. Alright guys, I had to use 2 jumper cables to actually get this to work, and check it out. This is how you do it to jump a car. If you're the guys who don't know, you put obviously you match up the red with red positive, and then you got the negative hooked up on there. And of course, you want to make sure the colors line up with the second jumper cable. And then you just want to find some metal for the negative, the black, and then the red positive, you put that on your red positive in the battery. And luckily for the Cummins, you got 2 of them, so I got one on the closer side. Of course, you only got one on the gas, but once you got that done, you want to start up your vehicle that doesn't have an issue starting. Always starts up, man. I said it once and I said it before. These Silverado trucks, man, totally reliable. Always reliable. Start up every single time. Let me get this pass out of there from work. So yeah, hood up, and we know that. So I'm gonna let her run for a little bit, and then we're gonna try that Cummins again and get her give her a cold start and hopefully she does start. All right guys, so let's now try to get this Ram started once again. I think I got the key in there. No, I don't. All right, here we go. Gonna give her another try. Let her warm up. Let the heater go off. There we go. No juice. What the hell? Looks like the starter's bad or something. I'm gonna try one more time here. Just no juice to the truck at all. The truck just clicks and then that's it. Try one more time, one more time. That's it. It's dead. Cummins will not start.